Iceland Snowflake Breads. Lofabröd. A bread from Iceland. Serves 4. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. In a bowl, combine flour, baking powder and sugar. Step 2. Mix in the butter and hot milk until a stiff dough is formed. Step 3. Turn out onto a lightly oiled surface and knead until smooth and cooled. Step 4. Divide dough into 4 parts. Step 5. Shape each into a ball. Step 6. Divide each into 4 parts to make 16, then divide each of the resulting balls into 2 parts to total 32. Step 7. Cover baking sheets with wax paper and dust the wax paper lightly with flour. Step 8. On a lightly floured surface, roll out each part of dough to make a thin round about 8 inches in diameter. Step 9. Place the rounds on the floured wax paper. Step 10. Chill 30 minutes. Step 11. In a skillet, heat 2 inches of fat to 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Vegetable shortening or corn or peanut oil may be used, but the authentic fat is lard. Step 12. Fold the dough rounds, one at a time, into quarters and, with a sharp-tipped knife, make little cuts and cutouts in the dough. Step 13. Fry the bread rounds until golden brown, about 1 minute on each side. Step 14. Remove and drain on paper toweling. Store in an airtight container in a cool place or in the freezer until ready to serve. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.